How to see recently viewed on Pinterest. To get started, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, tap to open and view any pin. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Then, select Refine your recommendations. You can now view all your recently viewed pins on Pinterest over here. As you can see, you will also find the pin you just viewed. Following these steps, you can easily see recently viewed on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.